Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2014 Chrysler Town & Country Touring L, stock number E2268A. 93,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. Cashmere pearl in color. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. This is Town & Country seat 7, leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row. Stone Go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Custom fit WeatherTech mats throughout for easy cleaning. Third row seats 3. Lots of overhead storage with aimable LED lights. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. DVD player with wireless headphones and a remote. Windows do go down in the sliding doors along with power vent rear quarter windows. Backup camera along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Trailering package. Power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row. Lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks in the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can of course fold them in any combination, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row, recline, slide forward and back. Have hooks in the seats for latch system to keep child seats completely secure. They are also heated. This Touring L has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with power adjustable pedals and a tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, and never have to carry it along again. You can also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. Navigation. DVD player control, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control along with heated seats and heated steering wheel. Cup holders, power outlets, and lots of storage in the removable center console, along with dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, liftgate and sliding door controls, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and conversation mirror. Under the hood, this Town & Country has a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. Very clean under the hood. All of your fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's a quick glance. Anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Town & Country, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.